Okay. So here is now the examples on operational sets. At the same time, again, I will illustrate the operations no, in a Venn diagram. So let's consider this example. Application muna ng Venn diagram. Suppose that in a certain school, 50 students in a class were enrolled in three subjects as follows. Okay, we have algebra, physics, and chemistry. Specifically, 25 students are enrolled in algebra, 20 in physics, 25 in chemistry. 14 students enrolled in chemistry and algebra, 12 in chemistry and physics, 11 in algebra and physics. And lastly, there are 5 students who are enrolled in all the three subjects. Okay, so our task is to illustrate the given information in a Venn diagram. Okay, let me copy this first. Ay, ba't ko sinave? Okay, copy this. And let me open our drawing software. Ayan. So, the question is, how? Now, you are tempted to just write the given information in this Venn diagram. For example, since there were 25, then I could just write 25 here. Let me just write 25 here since there were 25 students taking algebra. Uh, Okay, let me write 20 here and another 25 here. But take note, we only have 50 students. If you uh if if you did this, or if you apply such a technique na hindi niyo makukuha yung right representation of the given in a Venn diagram. Okay, so take note no, you are not just to supply the given numbers in the Venn diagram. Okay, so where can we start from? Where can we start from?
Dun po sa 5 na naka-enroll sa 3 subjects.
Okay,
Sa gitna, sir.
that's right. We have to start from uh from the students who are enrolled in all the three subjects. Okay, and we'll be writing 5 dun sa overlapping part nung tatlong subjects natin. Okay, so we'll be writing 5 here. Okay. Next, if this is 5, and if this is 5, so we can now proceed with this information. If this is 5, and we know that 14 are enrolled in chemistry and algebra, how many students I'll be writing here then? How many more students?
9 po ba?
9. Okay. Actually, that's right. Since we have 14 students taking chemistry and algebra, and we already have 5 here, no? We already have 5 here. So we need 9 more students here. All right. Next, if this is 12 students, then how many more students are taking chemistry and Physics.
7 po.
We have 7. Okay. 11 are enrolled in algebra and physics. How many more students?
6.
We have 6. Okay, next. If there are 25 students taking algebra, how many students are taking algebra only?
5 po, sir.
We have 5. Hi, we have 5 since we already have 20 students here. Okay. And if there are 20 students enrolled in physics, how many are taking physics only?
Dalawa
2
po.
po.
We have 2. And then lastly, how many are taking chemistry only?
4 po.
We have 4. And last question. How many students are not taking any of these 3 subject?
12 po, sir.
We have 12. Ay, we have 12. So ilalagay natin yun outside the 3 sets here. The set of students who are taking algebra, set of students taking physics, and taking chemistry. And this serves as our universal set. No, this rectangle here serves as the universal sets, which 50 students are enrolled or are into our consideration, are within our consideration. Okay, that is the Venn diagram. Any questions so far?
Wala po, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now let us proceed to another example. I need more space. And example number 4. Given the universal set 1 through 15, where A, B, and C are a subset of the universal set, and these are their definitions. No, A is defined as a set whose elements are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 13, and 15. B is a set whose elements are 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, and 15. And lastly, C is 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, and 14. Okay. Now, let's try to illustrate this first in the Venn diagram. And then after that, we'll try to evaluate this. Okay, the union of two sets, intersection, and so on. This is the application of the operations on sets. No. So let me copy the given here. Here is the given information. So we need to draw our Venn diagram. Let's start with our universal set. So all the numbers under consideration, no, were inside this set, okay, the universal set. And we have 3 sets or 3 subsets of U. So we'll be drawing 3 overlapping circles. 3 overlapping circles. Let's say this is A. Lagyan natin ng space A. Oh no. We have B. And then one more. We have C. Okay. Okay, let's name them. This is our universal set, U. This is, let's say, this is A. This is B. And this is C. I will start from the center, the overlapping part of the three subsets of U. Okay, what elements should be written in this portion?
4 po, sir.
Okay,
4 po.
we have 4 because all the three sets contains 4. Okay, very good. So we have here 4. And in fact, there's only one, no? One common element among the three. Ayan. Next, consider A and B. Aside from the common element of 4, what are the other common elements of A and B?
1 and 15 po.
1 and 15. 1 and 15. So this is 1. We'll write 1 here. Just write anywhere. Basta wag nyo silang not too close para hindi magmukhang isang number sila, no? So we have 1 and 15. Okay. How about A and C? Aside from 4, what are the other common elements of
2,
A
sir.
and C?
2.
8
2
po.
and
Pati 8 po.
8. Okay, aside from 2, no? We also have 8 and no more. So we have 2 and 8. Okay. B and C. B and C. 3
3 and 9.
and 9. Okay. 3 and 9. All right, very good. And we go now to the unique elements of every set. No, what are the unique elements of A? Unique elements of A. What are the unique elements of A?
6, 7,
6,
13 po.
7, and 13. Okay, 6, 7, and 13. So 6, 7, 13. Hi, letter B. What are the unique elements of B?
5 and 12.
5 and 12. What are the unique elements of C?
11 and 14 po.
11 and 14. And last question is, what are the elements of the universal set not found in any of the given set A, B, or C? How many?
10 po.
We have 10. Is it 10 only? 10 lang ba siya? I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 10, 10. We have 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. Yes, it's only 10. This is now the presentation, the Venn diagram of the given information here. Question.
Wala po, sir.
Okay, none.